Hey, Miami Valley Church, Brian here with a really cool announcement for something super special this Sunday. We mentioned it to the men at the men's midweek. We sent it to the small group leaders to send out to you guys as well. But I just wanted to really plead with you to please come this Sunday to the open house, looking at this building at 107 East 1st Street in downtown Dayton, just a block off of Riverscape. It's the Antioch Temple, the Shriners Center. It's a building we're looking at to check out as our new home. We've talked to the board. They've given us a budget. This actually fits well below that budget, and the leadership team has checked out the building. They love it, so we're family, right? And because we're family, we want you to come as well. No one buys a house or moves somewhere without family coming. So this is a chance for you, the Miami Valley Church of Christ. We're family. Please come. It's 1 to 3 this Sunday, September 13th. Please come to East 107 East 1st Street. 107 East 1st Street. That's it. Come check it out. Plenty of parking. It's all right there. Not street parking, but they have a parking lot, and we'll be there. And it'd be great to see you for one. And then any feedback you have, please send to Lauren and I. But this is a place we're highly considering being our new home. Thanks, Miami Valley Church, and we will see you on Sunday, YouTube 10 a.m. Love you all.